When people talk about getting rich, they usually focus on big investments, business ventures, and cutting major expenses. But what if I told you that some small, strategic expenses could actually speed up your path to wealth? While most financial advice tells you to avoid spending money at all costs, the truth is that smart spending in the right areas can actually increase your income, boost productivity, and help you build long-term wealth faster. In today's video, I'm going to show you 15 small expenses that can make you richer, not poorer. Some of these may surprise you, but if you use them wisely, they can change your financial future. Let's get started. This is Wealthlocity. Here you create, protect, and grow your wealth. Number 1. Investing in books and education. One of the best small expenses that can make you richer is buying books, courses, or educational materials. Knowledge is the foundation of wealth, and investing in self-education can help you learn better money management, investment strategies, business skills, and personal development techniques. A $20 book on investing could teach you how to grow your money for life. A $50 online course on negotiation could help you earn thousands more per year in salary raises. The key is choosing education that directly impacts your ability to make and manage money. If you commit to spending even $50 per month on financial education, it could pay off in millions over your lifetime. Number 2. High-quality networking events. Success isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you know. Spending a small amount on networking events, mastermind groups, or professional meetups can open doors to career advancements, investment opportunities, and business partnerships that could make you a fortune. A $50 ticket to a conference could connect you with someone who offers you a high-paying job or an investment deal. A small fee for an exclusive online membership group could give you access to insider knowledge and high-net-worth connections. If you want to get rich faster, start spending strategically on meeting the right people. Number 3. Productivity tools and software. Time is your most valuable asset. If you're wasting time on manual tasks, disorganization, or distractions, you're losing money. Investing in small productivity tools, like project management apps, automation software, or even noise-canceling headphones, can help you get more done in less time. For example, paying $10 a month for an app like Notion or Trello can help you manage your finances, track your goals, and organize your life better. Investing $30 in a quality planner can help you prioritize tasks that actually build wealth. By eliminating wasted time and focusing on high-value activities, you'll be able to increase your earning potential significantly. Number 4. A premium credit card with perks. Not all credit cards are bad. If used correctly, a premium credit card with cashback, travel rewards, and investment benefits can actually put money back in your pocket. For example, a credit card that offers 5% cashback on business expenses or groceries can save you hundreds to thousands per year. Travel reward cards can let you fly business class for free, saving you money on trips. The key is paying off your balance in full each month so you don't pay interest. If you're disciplined, a premium credit card is a small expense that can yield major financial rewards. Number 5. A gym membership for physical and mental health. Many people think of a gym membership as a luxury expense, but it's actually a wealth-building investment. When you're physically fit, you have more energy, focus, and mental clarity, all of which help you perform better in your career or business. Regular exercise also reduces stress, burnout, and healthcare costs, keeping you productive for the long run. Spending $30 to $100 a month on a gym membership could actually help you earn more money over time by improving your performance and extending your working years. Number 6. Meal prep or healthy eating subscriptions. Eating healthy is often seen as expensive, but in reality, it saves you money in the long run by keeping you productive and preventing costly health issues. Investing in meal prep services, organic groceries, or a quality blender for homemade meals ensures that you're fueling your body for success. A $10 a day fast food habit leads to low energy and poor health, but spending the same amount on high-quality, nutritious food can make you sharper, more productive, and ultimately wealthy. Number 7. High-speed internet and better tech equipment. If you run a business, side hustle, or work remotely, your internet speed and technology directly impact your productivity. Paying a little extra for fast, reliable internet, a quality laptop, or a dual monitor setup can save you hours of frustration and dramatically increase your efficiency. A $100 one-time investment in a better microphone or webcam can make you appear more professional on virtual meetings, which can lead to better job opportunities or client deals. Small tech upgrades can boost your income potential significantly. Number 8. Personal finance and investment apps. If you're not tracking your money, you're losing money. Spending $5 to $20 per month on financial tracking apps like Mint, YNAB, or Personal Capital can help you eliminate wasteful spending, optimize savings, and stay on top of investments. A $10 subscription to an AI-powered investment platform can help you automate your investments and grow your money effortlessly. When it comes to building wealth, small financial habits lead to massive financial results. Number 9. A well-designed work outfit. First impressions matter. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a job seeker, or a corporate professional, investing in a well-fitting outfit can increase your credibility, confidence, and earning potential. A $200 tailored suit or $100 quality shoes can make a difference in how clients, employers, and investors perceive you. Looking professional often leads to higher pay, more deals, and better networking opportunities. Number 10. Subscriptions to business and market research reports. If you're an entrepreneur or investor, staying ahead of trends is key to making money. Spending $10 to $50 a month on industry reports, financial newsletters, or stock market analysis tools can help you make better investment decisions and spot profitable opportunities before others do. Those who invest in knowledge always have an edge over those who don't. Number 11. Online business tools and automation software. One of the most overlooked ways to build wealth faster is by automating repetitive tasks. If you're running a business, a side hustle, or even managing your finances, automation software can save you time and increase efficiency. Investing in tools like Zapier for task automation, Shopify for e-commerce, or accounting software like QuickBooks can reduce manual work, allowing you to focus on high-value activities. For as little as $10 to $50 per month, these tools help you scale your business faster, increase your income, and eliminate wasted time that could be better spent growing your wealth. Number 12. Premium LinkedIn memberships or resume services. When it comes to making more money, your personal brand matters. If you want to land a higher-paying job, attract better clients, or expand your business network, investing in LinkedIn Premium or professional resume services can be a game changer. A $30 to $60 monthly investment in LinkedIn Premium gives you access to recruiters, job opportunities, and networking connections that can lead to higher salaries and better career moves. A one-time $100 to $300 investment in a professionally written resume and LinkedIn profile can increase your earning potential by thousands per year. Wealthy people invest in visibility because opportunities follow those who are. Number 13. A virtual assistant or freelancer. Time is money. If you're spending too much time on low-value tasks, like responding to emails, scheduling appointments, or data entry, you're slowing down your financial growth. Hiring a virtual assistant for as little as $5 to $20 per hour can free up your time for high-income activities. Entrepreneurs, executives, and high achievers understand that outsourcing allows you to focus on what actually makes you money. Even if you don't own a business, hiring a freelancer for things like website design, bookkeeping, or marketing can help you create income-generating assets faster, which leads to greater long-term wealth. Number 14. Donations or charity giving to build connections. While it may seem counterintuitive, strategic charitable giving can help you build relationships with wealthy and influential people. Many high-net-worth individuals and business leaders actively support charities and foundations. By attending charity events, making small donations, or participating in fundraisers, you gain access to exclusive networking circles that could lead to business partnerships, mentorships, or investment opportunities. A $50 to $200 donation to the right cause could put you in the same room as powerful people who can open doors to wealth-building opportunities. Number 15. Paid mentorship or coaching sessions. One of the fastest ways to get rich is by learning directly from those who have already done it. Instead of wasting years figuring things out on your own, investing in mentorship or coaching can accelerate your journey to financial success. A $100 to $500 consultation with a financial coach, business mentor, or investment expert could help you avoid costly mistakes and create a roadmap for success. Many successful entrepreneurs and investors credit their wealth to having the right mentors early on. Spending money on mentorship is not an expense. It's an investment in cutting your learning curve and reaching financial independence faster. Getting rich isn't just about cutting expenses, it's about spending money on things that generate even more money. These 15 small expenses can accelerate your financial growth and put you ahead of the competition. The key is investing in knowledge, productivity, networking, and automation, so your money is always working for you. Which of these small expenses have helped you build wealth? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to hear this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more money in your pocket.